Hello and welcome everyone to the walk around video here at Your Next Car, the 2017 435D M Sport Grand Coupe. The vehicle is presented once again in the fantastic Estuarial Blue. Features the Y&C body enhancement kit alongside some very sought after options. As you can see at the front then, that number plate may not look normal to yourself, that is, it's a Northern Irish registered vehicle. Nonetheless, it's a 2017 built BMW with that superb twin turbo 3 litre with 4-wheel drive package then. We've got brand new 20-inch 405 M style alloy wheels just fitted in-house with 4 brand new tyres. Sitting behind them, M Sport Plus brakes with a full M Sport Plus package. Gloss sidebars, satin side vinyls, Y&C M Performance decals, sun protection glazing on the rear windows. It's a really lovely, clean and tidy car, this one. It's got the M Dakota leather, as you can see there. Electric movement and memory front seats, heated as well. Harman Kardon surround sound, 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, and as I've mentioned, it does come with that xDrive 4-wheel drive. Let's show you the rear seats then. Isofix 3-seat rear bench with the central folding armrest. Again, that has been kept in really great condition. It does look like it's barely ever been sat in actually. As we go around towards the back then, we've got the carbon effect rear spoiler, gloss rear diffuser, and again it's all been kept in lovely condition. The Estuarial Blue looks absolutely fantastic out in the direct sunlight. Again, this one comes with a rear camera, so a nicely spec'd 4 Series, big boot space, split folding seat should you need any further room with that already big boot area. Let's show you the driver's side then. Again, Estuarial Blue always is a very popular colour on any BMW that it is nicely presented in. As you can see, those standout style alloy wheels really do look very nice on this car. Let's show you on board then, where again we've got a multifunction M Sport steering wheel. We've got cruise speed limiter, voice and volume controls, paddles for the 8-speed. It's done 38,000 miles. Does of course come with the professional wide nav and media. If we jump through into the vehicle screen then, we can see it's not due a service for 16,000 miles. We've got 3 recorded services on the iDrive, all from BMW. And if we go into the comms menu really quickly, it's got Bluetooth, telephone and audio. And then over into the multimedia, where you've got DAB, music collection, AUX, USB, Bluetooth, and then a CD slot as well. So jam-packed for all your multimedia. Dual climate control, front heated seats, and as I mentioned, rear camera as well. So not short of options on this wonderful 4-wheel drive twin turbo 3 litre Grand Coupe diesel 4 Series. So if you'd like any further information than what I've been able to give you in the video, if you'd like the full write-up on the car, please check out the links I'll leave for you in the description. For the meantime though, thank you for watching. Do of course take care. We shall look forward to seeing you soon. Bye bye.